Wanting to include beautiful images on your online form? Then check this out. Paperform has just released an Unsplash plugin. That's right. It's now easier than ever to include or insert beautiful royalty-free images onto your form. So let's check out how to do this. To insert an Unsplash image directly onto your form, we could use the / command shortcut, typing a / followed by Unsplash, and then clicking the icon that appears in the drop-down menu. Or we could follow the process of clicking in a blank space and then selecting the Add Picture icon. Clicking on Unsplash, we can then look at the beautiful collection of royalty-free images. Let's create a multiple choice question field. We'll enter the configuration by clicking on the cogwheel icon. And scroll down until we find Add Images to the options. Click Choose a File, and then Unsplash. Maybe you're wanting to give some pizzazz to your form and input a background image. We're going to click on the Theme Settings button, and then UI Elements. From here, we'll click Unsplash. Or perhaps you're wanting a cover image for your social posts. From our form editor, we'll click Configure, Details, and scroll down, then click Choose a File. If this video has been helpful, make sure to click that subscribe button and the thumbs up. Now it's your turn to have a play with the Unsplash plugin. Good luck and happy form making.